Hello anyone and everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a Black Friday haul unboxing video. I got most of these things from Best Buy and Amazon. I'll be telling you the original price of the product, then what it was on sale for Black Friday, and then how much the total was for the item after tax. So the first thing I'll be unboxing and showing you guys is the Samsung 860 EVO SSD. This cost originally $169.99. It was on sale for $109.99, and in total it was around $121 after tax. So I'm going to be using one of these SSDs from my PlayStation 4, and I will do a comparison between this one and the Sandisk video soon. So in here you get the manual or installation guide and warranty statement, and here's the solid state drive. So I did also get the 500 gigabyte for versions, two of them, and here they are. I won't be opening them since it looks exactly the same as this one. So I did get two of those, and those cost each was originally $109.99, and on sale was $59.99, and after tax it was around $66. I did get the 1 terabyte from Best Buy and the 500 from Amazon. Another SSD I got was the Sandisk 3D or Ultra 3D SSD. This is 2 terabytes. This one was originally $319.99, and it was on sale for $179.99, and after tax it was around $198. I got this at Best Buy. Apparently these last longer, but the warranty is less than the Samsung ones. The Samsung ones are 5 years, but this is 3. But the life expectancy on this is 2 terabytes, and the Samsung is only 1, so guess we'll see over time. Here's the back. No idea what that is. And then the safety and warranty guide. Here's the Ultra 3D SSD from Sandisk. I did get these Powerbeats 3 wireless. The original price was $199.99, and the sale was $89.99, and after tax it was around $99. So I'd say this is one of the better deals, and I got this from Best Buy. I won't be unboxing this because this is a gift for someone, but great deal nonetheless. I did also get this. This was not on sale at all, but it was only $10, and it was on Best Buy, and I've noticed they're usually sold out in most places, and now in Best Buy. By the way, I will be linking everything that I get here from in the description after or when I post the video. So I got this from Best Buy, the Spider-Man Far From Home 4K Blu-ray. The original price was $29.99, and on sale it was $12.99, and after tax it was around $15. So I'd say it was a pretty good deal, considering that they're usually $30, these 4K Blu-rays. Here it is, without the plastic. Here's the inside, the 2 discs, the Blu-ray, and then the 4K. So there's that. Now something that's not in frame is something I got from Amazon. They are laptop vertical stands. This one was branded Omoton, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Omoton. Now this was originally $25 or $24.99 on Amazon, but it only went on sale for $5 extra, or sorry, $5 less. So it was $19.99, and then around with taxes around $22. Yeah, so this is aluminum. It feels really solid and hard, and it's pretty heavy. It comes with this tool. It comes with this tool so you can adjust the length or the width, I should say, depending on how thick your laptop is. So yeah, that was on my list anyway, so I saw that it went on sale, so I decided to get it. The next thing is going to be this Insignia Connect and Protect Kit. Now I got this from Best Buy, and it was on a really good deal. It was originally $75, $74.99, and then it went on sale for $19.99. So it was around $22 with tax, which is a really good deal considering these 8-foot, they cost $30 each. The 8-foot HDMI cables. I know this isn't a great brand or anything amazing, but I will be testing out the HDMIs. If any of you have questions on them, if they perform less or just as regular, ask in the comments and I'll let you know. Here's the surge protector with the outlets. Grounded, protected, the indicators. And then the two HDMIs. Just your regular HDMIs. Now for the most exciting part, I did get this Samsung 4K monitor. It's 28 inches. I got this from Best Buy, and the original price was $369.99, but it went on sale for $229.99. And there was a recycling fee. I believe it was $6, so the total was around $258. So let's get to unboxing it. This is only a 60 Hz monitor, nothing too crazy, but obviously the PlayStation 4 Pro doesn't even go past that, so. And the model is UE590. On the side here, it says that it supports AMD FreeSync. It's flicker free. It has the iSaver mode, and it has something that's called picture by picture. Not exactly sure what that means, but here's the inside. This is to power it on, the power adapter. A bunch of cables here. The power cable. I'm not sure what. I'll open that in a bit. I believe this is for the stand. Yeah, it must be. And then here's the stand itself. This aluminum right here looks nice. That's just the stand. Here comes the setup guide and then the cables that I'm not too sure what they are. So I assume this is, yeah, this is an HDMI. And then I'm not sure what this is. Well, a lot of people seem to like the 38-inch, but I prefer a smaller. Not that I mean 32-inch. Not that a 32-inch would fit on my desk anyway. Here it is. I mean, not anything necessarily exciting, not being on or anything, but here are the connections. Apparently it comes with 2 HDMIs, and this is called a DP in. Okay, and then there's the headphone jack. Didn't know it came with that. And then for the wall outlet. Well, that was my Black Friday haul unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing a video on the Samsung monitor. And if you want me to do videos on anything else, let me know. Thanks for being here on The Good Tech with me, and have a good day.